Hi, my name is Daniel Nana Juma, a master's student of App State University. In this video, I will be demonstrating on my final project work. As part of my Applied Analytics project coursework this semester, I intend with Prestige School Solutions, which is a company which manages charter schools in the States. So as a project support intern, I was tasked to solve a business problem. The problem was how to convert payroll Excel files into a .cnt files, which was the required file compatible with a government website known as the LINQ platform. So I needed to come up with a tool, a conversion tool, which will do this work. Previously, this is how the payroll file or the payroll data looks like, which is in an Excel form. It will take employees about 3 hours to be able to manually enter this onto the platform, which is the government website. So that was my task as an intern, to be able to come up with a conversion tool which will reduce the man hours from about 3 hours to less than two or 3 minutes. And so I'm going to demonstrate how this manual input can be done without the hassle of entering each and every day's data onto the platform. And so I'm going to demonstrate how this can be done. So there are 2 ways of doing this conversion. Now, one is by running a Python script in Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see here, once I upload the file, which is one of the charter schools I'm going to use, and this is a real world example. So this is actually a testing on one of the charter schools for their July report. So this is a payroll report. Once I upload, it goes through the logic that I have built to convert all that is needed. And once this is converted, I have a .cnt file, which is ready to be uploaded onto the LINQ software, which is a government-owned platform. So once this goes through the logic built based on an audit report requirement, I come up with a .cnt file. So this is one way of converting the Excel file into a .cnt file with ease. Now, this is quite technical because you need technical knowledge for you to be able to do this coding. So I also came up with another version of this same conversion tool, which can be done with a non-technical background. And so I use Starlight to come up with an interface which will be user-friendly for non-coders. And so once I run this, it gives me this final. Okay, so let's demonstrate how we can do an easy conversion of the Excel file. So I browse and then I will pick my Excel file. Once I pick, it is able to tell me a preview, gives me a preview of the data I have uploaded, which consists of about 36 columns. So this preview gives you an idea of what you have uploaded if everything works according to the audit report. And so once that is done, I can go ahead and do some configuration. So over here, you can actually change how you want to save your file or how the final CNT files should be uploaded onto the platform. So this configuration can be done manually. Okay, so once that is done, you just have to click on convert to CNT and file is successfully converted. Okay, so once it is converted, I can now download as a CNT file, or for record keeping, I can also have a version of CSV for record keeping. So once I click on this, my file is downloaded. And so let's have a look at one of the final. Yes, so this becomes the final CNT file we are looking for. So you can either use the coding, which is the technical side of it, to convert your files, or you can use this simplified user-friendly interface to do your file conversion without any technical background, to have your CNT file to be able to upload onto the LINQ platform. So initially, instead of manually entering this data in Excel format, which will take you more than 2 to 3 hours, you can now do the same thing using less than 3 minutes to do the conversion. Using less than 3 minutes to do the conversion, and your file, which is a text form, which is the only acceptable file that the LINQ platform accepts or uses. So that is done in less than 3 minutes for it to be uploaded onto the LINQ platform. So it saved the company several man hours to be able to do other things. So this was what I did as an intern this particular semester, interning as a project support intern with Prestige School Solutions, which manage charter schools in the United States. Thank you.